Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to format your memory card in your GoPro Hero 12 Black. Okay, to format your memory card, just turn on your GoPro. Okay, after you turn on your GoPro, just scroll down and then scroll to the left, and now you will see the manage SD card. Okay, and here is your SD card. We already take some file, so let's check out. So we got some video, 3 of the video, and then go back, scroll down, scroll to the right, and then you press manage SD card, and now you will see the delete SD media. And if you want to format your SD card, just select delete. Are you sure? Okay, sure, delete it. And now it's deleting your file on your SD card. Okay, so now you see it's 0 using for your SD card, and let's find out. So there's no media on your SD card. Okay, so I just take a record, some record, and then let's wait. Okay, and we got one video, and we see now we got a 0.01 GB in the SD card. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can format your memory card for your GoPro. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.